Hi dears, welcome back. This is our EVS class. Today we are going to learn and discuss about one interesting topic. Really you are interesting in this topic. Okay. Before that I will show some pictures to you. Can you guess what is this picture? Yes, this is TV. Yes. Now, after long years ago, the peoples use TV to these kind of TVs. But nowadays only we can see different kinds of TV like a LED TV. But just think if our home do not have any TV means what will happen? Yes, we didn't watch any movies, we didn't watch any programs, we didn't watch any cartoon channels also. So we have to find who found the TV, who invented the TV. Then we want to say thank you to the man. Are you ready? Okay, dears. See this picture. Before that, can you say who invented the TV? Yes, very good. The TV is invented by John Logie Baird. Okay, see this picture. This man name is yes, John Logie Baird. He only invented the TV. Okay. Okay, dears, let us come to our lesson. Okay, which are the times do you feel very happy? Yes, whenever we play with our friends, we feel very happy. Then yes, whenever our mommy prepare new dishes and bought new dresses for us means we feel very happy. Yes, if the festival is upcoming means we feel really happy because we get new dresses, we can get new delicious sweets and foods also. Okay, yes, today our topic is festivals we celebrate. Okay, which are the festivals we can celebrate still now? Yes, the last month also we can celebrate one festival. What's this name? Yes, Diwali. Diwali and Pongal, Christmas. Yes, like that festivals we hitherto we are celebrating. Okay, now we discussed about some nowadays also we can celebrate some festivals. Okay, see this picture, the Rama and Lakshmana kills the Ravana. Okay, do you know what is this festival name? Yes, this festival name is Dasara. Okay, Dasara is the festival of Hindus. What is mean by Hindus? Hindus means which are the peoples are playing the holias to their forehead. Then which are the peoples go to the temple. And then which are the peoples praise the god Shiva. Then Vinayaga, Muruga, like that card. Which are the peoples pray these kind of gods means that person is called Hindus peoples. Okay, the Dasara is the festival of Hindus. Okay, the Dasara festival is celebrated by Hindus people only. Then it is also known as Vijay Dasami. Yes, the North Indian peoples they could say Dasara, but our side we could say Vijay Dasami. Yes, Vijay Dasami. Uh, the each and every child started to started to study in Vijay Dasami. It is good for study. This day is good for study. Okay, then the Dasara is we can celebrate 10 days. Why we celebrate Dasara means the Rama and Lakshmana kills the Ravana. Ravana and Kumbhakarna death is we celebrated as Dasara because the Ravana and Kumbhakarna is the worst man. Okay, worst man means they always disturbing others. Then the Ravana kidnapping Rama wife Sita. That's why the Rama kills the Ravana. So the Ravana and Kumbhakarna death anniversary is celebrated as Dasara. Okay. Okay, dear. See this next one. Diwali. Yes, the last month also we must celebrate Diwali. Okay, Diwali is the most popular festival of Hindus. Yes, this festival is celebrated by Hindus. It is called the Festival of Light. Yes, Dasara is called Vijayadashami. Then Diwali is called Festival of Hindus. Sorry, Festival of Lights. Okay, it is celebrated exactly 20 days after Dasara. Yes, just think, uh, Ravana kidnapping the Sita, then Rama kills the Ravana. Then only he returned to Ayodhya. When the Rama returned to the Ayodhya, that date is we celebrated as Diwali. Okay, okay, dears. In this time, we also pray the god Lakshmi in Diwali time. Okay. Then in Diwali time, we know very well about that. We can our in our home we can prepare um, more sweet dishes. Then we can burst the crackers also. Yes, I'm correct or not? Yes. Okay, dears. See this next picture. Do you know what is this festival name? Yes, Ganesh Chaturthi. Why we want to celebrate the Ganesh Chaturthi? Yes, the Lord Vinayaga birthday is we celebrated as Ganesh Chaturthi. Yes, very good. Okay. Then okay, my question is in Ganesh Chaturthi in our home, which are the things we can prepare in our home? Food item. Which are the food items we can prepare in our home? Yes, channas and vada and modham also we can prepare in our home. Okay. See this next one. Do you know what's this festival name? When we make up like a Krishna. Yes, Krishna Jayanti. Okay, what is mean by Krishna Jayanti? Why we want to celebrate Krishna Jayanti? Yes, the Lord Krishna birthday is celebrated as Krishna Jayanti. It also this festival also celebrated by Hindus peoples. Okay, then Krishna Jayanti we can prepare lots of sweets and milk items. Why means the Krishna like milk products only. That's why we must prepare the milk items. Okay, see this picture. Do you know who's he? Yes, he looked like a Guruji. Yes, correct. His name is Guru Nanak Devji. What? His name was Guru Nanak Devji. The Sikh peoples praise the Guru Nanak. What is meant by Sikh peoples? Sikh peoples means not a ill person. Sikh means, for example, we are called Hindus. Yes. Which are the peoples go to the temple? Which are the peoples are playing the holias means we could say what Hindus. Sikh means which are the peoples wearing the cloth like a groan. That person is called Sikhs. Okay, the Sikh peoples only praise the Guru Nanak Dev. Okay, the Guru Nanak Dev Ji birthday is celebrated as Guru Nanak Jayanti or Gurpurab. Okay, Guru Nanak Jayanti or Gurpurab. If the Hindus peoples want to go to the see the God and pray to the God means we must go to the temple. Yes, if the Sikh people want to see the God, pray the Guru Nanak means they must go to the Gurudwaras. Okay, then what is the special in Guru Nanak Jayanti means the all Sikh peoples eat together in one common place. That place is called Langar. Okay, in the all six peoples eat together. That place is called Langar. Okay, okay, dear. See this picture. Do you know what is this? Have you ever seen this kind of picture in TV? Yes, this festival name is Holi. Okay, Holi is festival of color. Diwali is a festival of lights. Holi is a festival of colors. People play with the colors and water. What is the special in Holi means the all peoples play with the colors and water. But our sides we didn't celebrate these festivals. Okay. Then end of this festival, holy festival, they burn, they make the fire. From this fire they accept hereafter the all bad evils also go from us, like that the peoples are thinking. Then we have to in this holy times we can prepare lots of sweets also. I give two sweets for you. The first one is rasamalai, the second one is, do you know? Yes, we know very well about this Tamil name. You have to uh, you have to find out the name in Hindi. Okay, you should find out the sweet name in Hindi. Then when our online class conduct, that time I ask this question to you. Okay, okay dear, see this one. Yes, nowadays hitherto we could see Hindus festival and Sikh festival. Then the another one is Muslims. Have you ever seen this kind of women's? Yes, somebody's covering their whole body using a black cloths. That people is called Muslims. Okay. Then do you know which are the festivals celebrated by Muslim? Yes, the Eid festival is celebrated by Muslims. Okay. Then how the Muslims celebrated the festival means they take a fasting, they take a fasting the whole month of Ramzan. Okay, Ramzan means 1 month name. For example, January, February, March, then Sithirai, Vaigasi, Ani, Adi, like that we have to say the month's name. The same way Muslims month name is Ramzan. Okay, the Muslim take a fasting the whole month of Ramzan. Then they finish their fasting, then they go to the mosque. What is meant by mosque? For example, if we want to see the god means we want to go temple. The same way the Muslim peoples want to the pray. We want to we could say pray the god, but Muslims they have to say namaz the god. Okay, if the Muslims wants to namaz the god means they want to go the mosque. Okay, then they prepare one sweet dishes also. This is mass. Okay, then they prepare the one sweet dish. The dish name is what? Yes, we know very well about this dish name. But in Muslim peoples, they could say sivan. What? Sivan. Okay, it is the sweet dish. It is the Eid special dish. Okay. Okay, dears. Now we can see Hindus festival, then Sikh festivals and Muslim festival. Then what is this festival name? Can you guess? Yes, this festival name is Christmas. Okay, Christmas is celebrated on 25th December. Yes, today December 1. After 24 days we could see the we could celebrate the Christmas. Okay, then why we must celebrate the Christmas means Lord Jesus Christ birthday is celebrated as what? Christmas. For example, Lord Vinayaga birthday is celebrated as Ganesh Chaturthi. Lord Krishna birthday is celebrated as Krishna Jayanti. Guru Nanak Guru Nanak Dev Ji birthday is celebrated as Guru Nanak Jayanti. The same way, the Lord Jesus Christ's birthday is celebrated as Christmas. Okay, in this day, the Christmas tree are decorated. Then the people sing the song in the church. What is mean by church? Yes, church means if we want to see the God, we must go to the temple. The same way, if the Christianity peoples wants to meet the God means they must go to the church. Okay, then if we celebrate the festival means we make more and more sweets, but the Christian peoples make a cake and bought the new cakes and cutting the cakes, then they express their happiness. Okay, see this picture. Yes, Hitherto, we will see the religious festival. For example, Diwali, Dasara, Ganesh Chaturthi, Krishna Jayanti. This kind of festival celebrated by Hindus peoples. Christmas is celebrated by Christianity peoples. Then Eid is celebrated by Muslims. Then uh, Guru Nanak Jayanti is celebrated as Gurpurab. Gurpurab is celebrated as Sikh peoples. So these are called the religious festival. For example, we didn't celebrate the Gurpurab. Yes, we didn't celebrate the Eid. We didn't celebrate the Christmas. Yes, the same way the the Christianity peoples didn't celebrate the Lord Vinayaga birthday, Lord what Jesus Christ's birthday, and they didn't celebrate the Guru Nanak Jayanti also. The same way, these are called religious festivals. Okay, the next we could say the harvest festival. Harvest festival means we want to say thankful to the natural resources. Okay, that is called harvest festival. Pongal also Pongal also called as harvest festival. Then then Onam also celebrated as known as harvest festival. In Tamil Nadu, we want to celebrate the what? We want to celebrate the Pongal. In Kerala state, they must celebrate the Onam festivals. Okay, okay, dears. These are called harvest festival. Okay, if we which are the festivals celebrated the whole country? For example, we are celebrating the Diwali, but Muslim peoples and Christianity peoples don't want to celebrate the Diwali. But national festivals must be celebrated in the whole country. Okay. For example, Republic Day. Republic Day. What does mean by Republic Day? Yes, Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January. Then in this day, India become a republic country. We can republic means we can make our own rules and regulation. We don't want to depend the other countries. Okay. So in 26th January, our India become a republic country. Okay. In this time, the President of India. Who's President of India? Yes, Mr. Ramnath Kovind is President of India now. Then he takes the salute of the parade. Okay, he takes the salute. Then the next festival, national festival. Yes, Independence Day. Independence Day also considered as a national festival because the whole Hindus peoples and Sikh peoples, then Christianity peoples, Muslim peoples, the all religious peoples also celebrated the national festivals. Okay. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August. Then India become free from the British rule. Okay. But those days, the ancient days, the India is ruled by the British peoples. They beat ourselves more and more. They disturbing more. But nowadays, we free from the British rule. When we free from the British rule? Yes, 15th August 1947. In this day, our national flag is hoisted at Red Fort. Red Fort means it's one place. Okay, it is the one national festivals. Okay, see this picture. Yes, happy Gandhi Jayanti. What does mean by Gandhi Jayanti? Yes, Mahatma Gandhiji birthday is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti. Okay, dears. Okay, these are called national festival. The next one, Gandhiji says, see no evil. We don't want to hear any we don't want to see any bad things. We don't hear any bad words. We don't speak any bad words and bad things also. Okay. Mahatma Gandhiji says like that. Then, do you know which is the largest festival in the world? Yes, largest festival. Yes, Dasara means we can celebrate 10 days only. But this festival we can celebrate 55 days. Do you know which festival? Yes, Kumbh Mela. The Kumbh Mela festival is the largest festival in the world. Why means we can celebrate 55 days. Okay, dears. I think this class is enough. Today afternoon we will meet again. If you have any doubt in this section, you have to note it. Then we clearly discussed about that. Okay, thank you.